Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video, which is long overdue. I bought this watch quite some time ago. Just set it to the side, and I didn't really forget about it. Well, maybe I did a little bit, but anyway, let's just get this thing open. You guys probably don't care about the backstory on that. As of the time of the recording, there are still 2 of these watches available. I will leave a link in the description below to this watch. This is the Zelos Nova. This one is with the meteorite dial, and I still need to do my Zelos State of the Collection, and you'll see how many of these things I have. Actually, I sold one maybe a month ago, so I don't have as many as I used to have, but yeah. And actually, I think that was the first Zelos that I sold. Not paying attention here. I only need to open one side of the box. So this is a 38mm dress watch. Hand wind movement. I believe it's 7002 movement. Forgot the manufacturer of it. So let's get this out of here. So this is their old boxes. They have a different box now. It's thinner, and it has a leather watch case instead of this leather watch roll, which doesn't matter to me either way. I buy them for the watch, not for the box. So let's get this out of the roll. I believe it'll be on bracelet, and it also has a leather strap. I like these better on the strap, at least from pictures anyway. I've not seen one in person yet, but that's about to change in a matter of seconds here. So let's see here. So I'm number 41. Oh, okay, so it comes on the strap, not on the bracelet. I think the owner, Alshon, was kind of disappointed in the bracelet. That's kind of the impression I got from his comments. But looks like a nice bracelet. Actually, I have a watch I'll probably never sell. One of my most worn watches. Bracelet looks kind of similar to that, but not really. So anyway, it's my Oris. I call it the day date. I don't know what the actual model is on this, but that's not why we're here today. Let's put this back in here. And wow, yeah, this is cool. Very cool. I had convinced myself that this would be a keeper, but I don't know. I have way too many watches, and there's no way I'm going to keep them all. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the meteorite dial. I have a Zelos 40mm swordfish with the meteorite dial, but I think this dial is bigger, even though it's a 38mm watch, and it doesn't have a cutout for the date window or the cutout for the sandwich dial indices, and these indices are smaller, so you definitely see more of the dial. Also, the indices and hands are heat blued. So this model cost I think $100, maybe even $150 more than the other dials that he had. He had aventurine dial, salmon dial, linen dial, a teal one, and a brown dial. I think those are all the colors that he had for this watch. I kind of wanted the salmon color, and that one sold out, I think, first. And that's looking at the aventurine, and that one sold out, I think, second. So it was down to, well, for me, this is my third choice, so actually my only choice. So yeah, let's get this thing wound up. Try not to take too long with the video here. Has the movement name on the back of here or not? Yeah, it's there. ETA 7001. I think I said 7002 earlier. Right there at the top, or up here. So actually, let's get this thing wound up. We'll get it on rest, and we'll close out the video. Oh, I was kind of expecting these two screws to move with that gear there, but that must be what's retaining it. Some kind of a bearing or bushing there. So let me know if you have any watches that you get in and you keep in the box and don't open them for a while, or if that's just something that I do. No date, so I like that. I'm a fan of no date watches, especially with a beautiful dial like this. The Zelos logo is even quite muted on this watch. Yeah, very nicely done. Must not be anti-reflective coating on this. Yeah, maybe this will be a keeper. So let me get it on rest, and then we'll close out the video. Gonna roll up my sleeve here, and we'll get this on rest. I wonder how this would look on a brown strap. Sorry, let me just check the lug to lug real quick. It's probably 20. Yeah, 20 millimeter. I guess that's tight enough for now. I might be able to tighten it one more. Come on. Well, we'll just leave that one undone for now. So here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist. Looks like a good fit through the camera, and looks like a good fit by eye too. Lug to lug, I think, is fairly long on this, but we'll get into the full specs and follow-up video here. So let me know what you think of this watch. And if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of meteorite dials, and this one in particular. I think it is quite stunning. All right, catch you guys on the next video.